many for the first time, strengthening dignity, security, and financial inclusion. It is a recovery designed not just to rebuild structures, but to restore. Equally vital is sustainable settlements and social cohesion. Strong communities are not defined solely by infrastructure, but by trust, participation, and a shared sense of ownership. When people are engaged in decision-making and feel invested in their future, recovery is faster, resilience is deeper, and progress is lasting. This forum offers an important opportunity to strengthen collaboration between governments, development partners, civil society, the private sector, communities themselves. Our shared responsibility moves beyond just dialogue and towards action, scaling solutions that are affordable, locally driven, climate resilient, and inclusive of those who are the most vulnerable in our society. Over the coming days, I hope these discussions will be honest, practical, and forward-looking, focused on sharing lessons, strengthening partnerships, and identifying pathways that translate policy into real impact. When forums like this succeed, their outcomes are not measured in statements, but in lives improved on the ground. Let us work together toward a future where every child grows up under a safe roof, every woman lives with dignity and security, and every community has the resilience not only to withstand crisis, but to thrive beyond it. I want to thank you all, and I wish you a productive, inspiring forum. Thank you so much.